Hello viewers, I'm Rohit Khurana, your host on Intellect Digest, and what we have here is the Lava Iris Pro 30. The phone has finally been launched, and I must tell you, it is a very beautiful design. It is very minimalistic. There is nothing very flashy about this phone. It is very plain looking but yet very elegant. There is an 8 megapixel shooter, which is a backside illuminated sensor and comes with dual LED flash. Next to it you can see the noise cancellation microphone, and the main microphone is down here. There is a micro USB port at the bottom, and the most important thing about this phone is the display it has on the offer. This is a very bright 500 lumens display which gives you brightest of images even in bright daylight. And the phone is fairly slim as well. This is a 7.5mm design and has two buttons on the right hand side. This is the power or wake up key, followed by a volume rocker key just below it. On the front you get a 4.7-inch display, which is rather an unusual size, but considering that it is very easy to hold, very slim and very light at 114 grams, this is a welcome design. There is 321 ppi pixel density, and the display is a high definition 720p display with a display resolution of 1280 by 720 pixels. There is also a front facing 3 megapixel camera on this. There is a standard earpiece and some sensors on the front. On the top you get the standard 3.5mm audio jack, and left side is totally clean. Interestingly, it comes with a removable back, so we just remove this cover, and below it you get access to the SIM card slots as well as memory card slots. So there is one full size SIM card and one micro SIM card, and you get a micro SD card slot. This is much required because it has 4GB internal memory and you may want to expand it. The battery is not user removable, so we just close this and we talk about the software it has on the offer, and we'll also talk about the benchmarks and performance of the Iris Pro 30. Talking of the graphics performance, we got a score of 35 frames per second on Nina Mark II, which is not a bad score at all, considering that this is a high definition display as powered by a 1.2 GHz quad core CPU, has PowerVR SGX 554MP GPU on board. A 35 frames per second means that you can play most of the games on the Iris Pro 30 without any major glitch. And here we have the results. On Antutu we get a score of 13,379, which is not bad at all, considering that this is a 1.2 GHz quad core device with 1 GB of RAM. It is fairly good in terms of performance when it comes to benchmark scores. Giving you a feel of how the gaming works on the Lava Iris Pro 30, let me play the Subway Surf Mumbai edition for you and show you how vibrant the graphics come out to be. On Nina Mark II we got a score of 35 frames per second, which suggests that there should be no problem. The colors come out to be really excellent on the Lava Iris Pro 30. There is good saturation level. The touchscreen response and sensitivity is also very good, which is a proof that this display is really nicely worked out. This is from Sharp and has a 720p display resolution, and it's a 4.7-inch display that we get on the Iris Pro. Let me also give you a quick camera test. So we open the camera app, and this camera app looks not much customized. With simple options you can take pictures and videos, and it is able to record high definition videos. And there are some modes on the side which you can see: HDR mode, face beauty mode, panorama, internal panorama, scene modes, face detection, etc. So it comes fairly loaded, and you can also use the front facing camera if you like. Let me give you a few shots to show you how the camera actually performs. So this one was with flash. Let me turn off the flash and try again. So these are the pictures that we clicked right now, and the pictures come out to be good. The display gives a very good natural color reproduction. The saturation of the display is just about right. Let me also show you the video playback quality. I'll turn the volume to maximum.
What's up? I'm your host Rohit Khurana from Intellect Digest, and today we are back with the Nokia Asha 500. This is a successor of the 501 series that we saw some time back, the 500.
So as we can see, the colors come out really live on video playback. So this is a really nice multimedia device, and the speakers are also fairly loud. The speaker grill is provided at the rear bottom here with Lava branding just above it, and there is a small protrusion around the speaker, which is a very clever design, because when you put it on a flat surface it will not muffle the speakers. If there are no protrusions here, it will be muffled and the sound will not come. So I must say this is an excellent designing from Lava. Talking about the software, it comes with Android 4.2 Jelly Bean preloaded, and there is over-the-air update support. You can scroll down with 2 fingers to get the quick toggles and 1 finger to get the notifications. There is also one extra feature added, which is the CPU rate. So you can actually see what is the CPU utilization. It also uses CBSA, which is an optimized display technology which reduces the battery usage, which gives you extra battery. There is 2000 mAh battery included, which should be able to give you 1 full day of normal usage or moderate usage. And not to forget, the goodness of Google Now is also there on the Android Jelly Bean 4.2, which comes inbuilt. Weather in Delhi.
It's 12 degrees and partly cloudy in Delhi.
On the software part, Lava has introduced some smart features, including picture-in-picture or PIP, in which you can play videos in short window modes that we have seen in some other phones as well. You can also use gesture features, like if there is an incoming call, you can just flip the phone to make it silent. There is also a direct call feature, in which if you are on some contact and put it next to your ear, it will make the call. So these extra functionalities add to the user experience when it comes to the Lava Iris Pro 30. Considering that this phone is priced at around 15 to 16,000 rupees, has an excellent display, a very sleek form factor, very nice design, good enough specs, some more internal memory would have been really appreciated, but there are not many negative points about the Lava Iris Pro 30 which I can tell you about. This is all we have on a comprehensive review of the Lava Iris Pro 30. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up by pressing the like button below. For more such videos, stay subscribed to Intellect Digest by pressing the subscribe button. This is your host Rohit Khurana signing off. Thanks for watching.